Thanks for tuning into the channel, and today we're going to be talking about bad odors in your Turo car or fleet. And this, I believe, is going to be helpful for newcomers. I'm going to put it out there. If you have a vehicle and you're going to rent it out on Turo or anyway, you have a possibility of getting a bad odor. Not just from smoking. It could be they went to the beach and they got in the car wet. They put a wet dog in there. You never know what they do with the car, and a bad odor can come in there, and it could be a nightmare to get out of. So we're going to talk about the Spiffy here and how that can help you. But before we get into it, I'm going to ask for a huge favor. Smash that like button. Please leave some comments down below. Don't be shy. If you have questions, perfect opportunity to get them answered. So leave those also. And if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing. That'll help a lot. Now let's get into it. So the Spiffy is what I have here. You may be wondering why there's no smoking sticker here. If you were racing some of my videos, I have talked about how the no smoking sticker is a huge help. And since today we're going to be talking about odors, I figure I mention it again, that these things, they're $7, $8. Most of us spend that in a day, and this could really save you from a headache. It's going to reduce the odds of someone smoking in your car, at least I believe so. I've been doing Turo for over 2 years, and I haven't had anyone smoke in the cars. So, you know, $8 has saved me big time. I worked in the rental car business, and I have experienced cars with strong smoke smell, and they're a nightmare to get out of. We would pay companies $200 to come out there, detail it, and the smell would sometimes still be in the car, and it would cause complaints. And being a Turo host, you don't want negative reviews. And a bad smell in a car can definitely not get you a 5-star. So you want to avoid them. So just wanted to throw that out. If you're interested, I'm going to put a link in the description so you can check them out. But let's get back to this Spiffy. Now, you may be wondering, have I used it? Well, about, I believe a year ago, give or take, Turo was giving these for free. And the reason why I believe there's a no smoking policy with Turo, but I think they reduced the fee, so they were going to help us host with this. Unfortunately, it's not free anymore, but when I found out that they were giving this, I jumped on there right away, made sure I got mine, because if, you know, someone did smoke in the car or anything happens, here I got a tool that I could use at no cost to me. Why not? Because saving money is making money, so I want to take advantage of that. Now, when I used it, because I have gotten odors, not smoke odors, but sometimes I live here in Florida. A lot of people come here to go to the beach, and sometimes they leave wet towels. I don't know if they, you know, there's no pets allowed, but sometimes I have gotten some odor where it smelled like wet dog in there, to be honest. And I don't know if it's just they had a bad odor. I don't know what it is, but obviously I want to get that out. I want to get the car fresh for the next booking. So I tried this out one time a long time ago, but I wanted to give at least some brief detail about it. And the way it works is there's these tablets that come in here, and they go in this hole here. You do fill it up with water to this line, right? And then you put it in the cup holder. And it has some lights. It does come with the instructions breaking down everything. What I wanted to do, I wanted to bring out this Spiffy in case you are a host, and let's say you weren't around to get the free one, or you're thinking about doing Turo, you can know about this tool, since there is a possibility you running into a bad odor from a booking. And that way you don't have to hire a detailer. And if you're not a professional, this could save you some money, and it can come in handy, especially since you get a lot of, how many tablets does it come?
5.
So you get 5. So that's not bad. So you can get 5 uses out of it, and they sell just the tablets. So once you have this, you can just replace the tablets, and you don't have to buy the machine. If you do have questions about it, leave me some comments down below. If you're concerned or anything, I am going to put a link. And the good thing is, Turo is at least giving you a discount. Unfortunately, it's not free any longer, but they're giving you a 20% discount on them. So we're also going to put that code to make it easy. That way you don't have to go searching for it. So click the link. If you're interested in getting it, we'll put that 20% in there for you. But yeah, if you had some bad odors and you want to give this a test, when I tried it out, believe it or not, it actually worked. The car was just in the garage, left the garage open, turned it on, had all the windows up. It put the smoke in the car, and I let it sit there for the time that it required, and it really took the smell away. So it surprised me, and that's why I'm recommending it. I still have it. Luckily, I still have 4 tablets in case I get another bad smell in the car. And the good news, I have been doing Turo for a while, and it's not common to get bad odors. And I only really had to use this one time, and it wasn't from smoking. It was just like, it looks like they went to the beach. I do get a lot of bookings that the customers go to the beach or a swimming pool because they'll stay at a hotel by Disney and things like that. So and sometimes they leave like wet things in the car, and that obviously will cause an odor. So hopefully you found this a helpful video. Hopefully it helps you out if you are experiencing bad odors and things like that. Please let me know what you thought of this video. If you haven't done so, smash the like button. I really appreciate watching, and please subscribe. Thanks again.